Alright, so I bought this 1988 F250 with the 7.3 IDI. It's been sitting for about 10 years and we broke the solenoid trying to get it started the other day. Put the battery out of my dad's van in it. Got the battery terminals all cleaned up. Hit her with a squirts of starting fluid and she popped. So it's gonna run, sitting 10 years. $300 truck. Alright, so I figured the fuel was bad. Running it off a can. Got all the air out of it. And she fires right fucking up. Purrs like a goddamn kitten. Hell yeah.
Hey guys, thanks everyone for watching. Please consider leaving a like and maybe subscribing. Have a great day.